Hi, this is Mike Sheehan, and you wanted to know about how does life insurance work? Well, life insurance, and I'm sure, I'm going to assume here that everyone that's listening to this has applied for auto insurance, home insurance, or maybe renter's insurance, certainly health insurance. And life insurance is the same way in that you're going to fill out an application. Now, the thing that's different than those other ones, which maybe not so much for the health insurance, but they're gonna look into your medical background. They're gonna look in some criteria as far as what has happened to you in your past, and they're going to gather all that information, and then they're going to say, yes, this looks good, and we're going to approve the policy. Now, when I say by approving a policy, when you filled out that application, you put down the kind of insurance you wanted and the amount of the insurance that you wanted, the death benefit. All right, and then the representative premium that went along with that. And again, what the insurance company is going to gather the information. They're going to get information from your doctor and any other health information that they're going to need. That's really the biggest thing. Sometimes your job, sometimes your hobby can come into play, but primarily it's getting information from your doctor. Depending on the amount of insurance, you require what's called an insurance exam, which what that is a paramedic comes to your home, or they can come to your work. They can come anywhere, but most people have them come to your home, and they'll ask you a medical question. This is a certified person, works for a company that does this, and they'll ask you medical questions. Get a urine specimen, they'll draw some blood, and in some cases they may even take an EKG. I had that done once where I'm laying on my living room floor and she's hooking me up with all these little things doing an EKG. And that's basically how and how the process works. Then once the policy is approved, something happens to you, you die, because hey, let's face it, none of us are getting out of here alive. Whatever it was that you qualified for, whatever the death benefit is written in a check to your beneficiary, 100% tax-free. Now, I've had somebody 32 years old who passed away, and the policy was 31 days old, and the insurance company paid the full amount of that death benefit. And then I had somebody on the other end of the spectrum where the policy was almost 25 years old, and it paid the full amount of the death benefit. So that's how you apply for it. That's how it works. If you want to know more of how it's going to apply for you specifically, go to the lower left and click on the link underneath this video, www.yourlifeinsurance411.com. That's going to take you to my webpage. There you can put in your name, your email, and your phone number and click the Quote Me button. Then that'll come back to me. I'll give you a call. We'll have a conversation to determine what you're looking for, what we can do for you, and put a plan together and implement that and do it all online. And I look forward to talking with you real soon.